A few days ago, Samsung released their much-talked-about tri-folding smartphone, setting the internet abuzz. But that's not the only Samsung product getting noticed right now. There are rumors that the Galaxy S26 series will come out next month. Then, the next version of the Z Flip and Z Fold series will come out. And from what I've seen, it looks like Samsung is putting all of their effort into the future Galaxy Z Fold 8. The Fold 7 is the best book-style flexible that the company has made so far. Very thin, elegant, and sturdy, but it still had some issues people have been complaining about for a long time, especially with the battery, how fast it charges, and the book-style crease that was always there. But with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung hopes to fix all of these problems. A few weeks ago, early rumors suggested that Samsung was working on a big battery upgrade for the Fold 8, with the goal of getting the device closer to a 5,000 mAh cell. Just that would be a big deal, especially because Samsung has been using the same 4,400 mAh battery since the Fold 3. But the new data makes it even better. According to the most recent report, Samsung is changing the phone's internal design so that it can handle 45 watt constant watt fast charging, which is an increase from 25 watts on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's not the 60 watt fast charging that people are talking about for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but after years of using chargers with the same slow speeds, this small change would make our lives better. The Z, it takes almost an hour and a half to recharge the Z Fold 7's pretty small battery, and a half charge still takes about 30 minutes. So, a bigger battery that charges faster would finally bring the Fold series closer to the level of a premium gadget. Samsung has also been trying out new display hardware, like laser-drilled metal plates that are made to spread the pressure when the screen bends. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.